In this module, we'll be unpacking some important concepts, especially equity and inclusion. When I think about these concepts, I immediately picture a healthy ecosystem like a coral reef. The elements of the reef, corals, fish, sea stars, mammals, are all interacting and can represent diversity or biodiversity. This system also needs specific conditions for a healthy reef: clean water, a stable climate, nutrients. If the reef is a community, the elements needed to sustain the health of the community would be what's needed for inclusion. In a community of people, inclusion would feel like being welcomed, being valued for your unique contribution. And there are lots of different ways to think about what different people need in order to feel welcomed and what communities need to be healthy. The elements needed for inclusion can be harder to describe because it's different for different people.
One of my favorite books was titled Dream of a Common Language. It's one of Adrienne Rich's books of poetry. Making sure organizationally or individually that we know what the words mean that we're using in a transformation process is really important. The way that I like defining diversity is simply all the ways in which we are similar, different, and unique. So for us, equity is the guarantee of fair treatment, access, opportunity, and advancement, while at the same time striving to identify and eliminate barriers that have prevented the full participation of some groups. I think the easiest way to describe inclusion is that these are behaviors that create a sense of welcoming and belonging and the ability to fully participate in systems for all folks. And so I think that that's important, that when you're thinking about organizational change, these are behaviors and they're measurable.
These definitions and visual metaphors are one attempt to bring these ideas to life, and we'll hear some more voices reflecting on these concepts next. In the reflection at the end of this lesson, we encourage your feedback. Do these images resonate with you? Why or why not? Think about a time when you felt included in a community or work setting. How did you feel? What did you see?